Hey, 3 Pros Basement Systems. This is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you could start implementing right away to outrank some of your competition online and really start bringing in more jobs for your business. So I have your website pulled up here and it looks awesome. I love the logo. And as I'm going down, I'm noticing that there's not a ton of content. Now in Google's eyes, they love content, right? Because they like to send people to relevant information. That's what gets people to go back to Google. So they're going to rank your business accordingly based around a couple different factors. And content is definitely one of them. All right. So we want to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on this homepage. And then for all these different service pages, anywhere from 500 to 1,000. And that's going to really allow you to rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time. Now, if I come over to a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, and plug in your website, we're going to look up some metrics here and talk about some backlinks and those keywords that I just mentioned. So it looks like you're ranking for over 500, which is great. And I'm going to log back in here. And we're going to see what exactly you're ranking for. Now, if we want to figure out like location-specific keywords, let's look up VA, right, for Virginia, and we'll see what Virginia keywords we're ranking for. So we have foundation repair, Northern VA. That's searched 50 times a month. You guys are in about the second page for that. Basement waterproofing Fairfax, VA, 50 searches a month. Same thing, second page. Right, and we can see all these different location keywords in areas I'm sure that you guys service. And if we add up all that volume, I mean, it's probably a couple hundred searches, of people looking for services that you offer. So we want to make sure that when those searches occur, that we're showing up. Right? Not only in the map pack section, but in the organic section. And I'll kind of cover that in a second. But kind of going back to backlinks here, we talked about content. A backlink is really just a vote of confidence. All right? It's a link from, one site to another, and it passes power and trust to your site. So that's kind of these numbers here, the power and trust. And we want to make sure that, we're building credible backlinks and we're putting credible, high quality content into our site. And that way Google sees that, we're the best, right? And that's how we're going to beat out our competition. So we definitely need some more power to our site here. And if we come into Google and type in basement waterproofing Northern VA, or it could be any of those other keywords that we took a look at, we want to make sure that we rank in the map pack here and in the organic section down below here. Right? Because let's be honest, nobody's coming down to the bottom here to hit, that second, third, fourth page and so on. So this is definitely the place to be in Google. All right. So again, adding in that content and then creating higher quality backlinks, that's what's going to help you get into this organic section. And if we take a look at a business like nvwaterproofing.com, right, we can see that they've got a nice website too. Not a lot of content, just like you guys, right? So you can definitely outshine them by adding in some more content. But if we take a look, and I'll just pop up a search again, and we'll kind of compare the numbers here, we can see if they have more power and more trust, right? And they definitely have more trust and a little bit more power, okay? And taking a look at the referring domains, they've got a little bit more as well. So we definitely have some room for growth there. Okay, and then they're ranking for more keywords, which means they've got some more content throughout their whole entire site. So that's definitely a place we can work on. Coming back to Google, if we take a look at the map pack, there's a couple factors that'll help us get into those first 3 spots, right? We can take a look down here. We can try and find your business here. And I'd have to search maybe the second or third page for that. So we want to make sure if we take a look at, again, NV Waterproofing, we got to figure out what they're doing to get into this position here. All right, so they've got 83 reviews. Let's see. They've got all their information here. They've got some questions and answers. Looks like they have a nice description here. All right, but I'm not seeing that they're posting. And they could definitely use some more questions and answers. Let's take a look at their photos. They could definitely use some more photos as well. So those are a couple things that you can really take advantage of. And if we find your listing here, 3 Pros Basement Systems, here we go. Right, we can see that we can definitely add in more reviews. Okay, you got your appointments link, which is good. we could definitely use some questions and answers. And then we need some more pictures, right? So there's a couple different factors that we can really optimize to get this listing going. It looks like you guys are posting, which is good. You want to make sure we're posting, a couple times a week. And again, that's going to allow Google to see that you have more and more content. We can create products and services as well, and then again, add in more and more content. So I know this is a lot of information, but if you do those couple things, pay attention to content, backlinks, and then optimizing this listing, it's really going to help you outshine the competition and rank in several different areas that you guys service. If you have any questions, reach back out. I'd love to talk a little bit more about your business and maybe see how we can help you out. All right, talk to you soon.